In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new client on Jobber 2026, step by step. Let's get you from a blank screen to a saved client record in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your browser and going to jobber.com. Sign into your account so you land on the dashboard. Everything we need is available right from here. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation and a quick create area. Find the small plus sign button. This is your shortcut for adding new items without leaving the page you're on. Click that plus sign. A menu appears. Choose client. This opens the new client form and drops you into the primary contact details section. Think of this as the single source of truth for who you'll be talking to. Begin by selecting a title from the drop-down like Mr., Ms., Mrs., or Miss. This is optional, but it keeps your communications polished. Next, enter the client's first name, then their last name. If this client represents a business, add the company name so it appears on quotes and invoices. If it's an individual, you can leave that field blank. Add a phone number so your team can reach them quickly. Use a number the client actually answers, and be consistent with your country format to avoid dialing issues. Then enter an email address. Jobber uses this for things like quotes, invoices, and appointment reminders, so accuracy matters. If you're copying and pasting, double check for stray spaces. Before moving on, glance back over the primary contact details and confirm spelling and capitalization. Clean records now prevent confusion later. Next, enter the property address. This is the service location where your team will work. Type the full street address along with city, state, or province and postal code. If Jobber suggests an address from a map lookup, choose the best match to improve routing and on-site directions. Once you've filled in everything, take a final moment to review the form from top to bottom. Make sure names are correct, the company field is appropriate, the phone and email are accurate, and the property address is complete. When you're confident everything looks good, click Save Client. Jobber will create the client record and you'll be taken to their profile, ready for scheduling, quotes, or invoicing. That's it. You've successfully added a new client in Jobber.